across from Fairview, over there we have the Ministry of Education office, that blue building. I don't know if you can see it clearly. And then over on this side we have Herbert Morrison Technical High School. And as I said, this is Fairview over here. And we're gonna go over to that side. Okay, so over there we have the Texaco gas station, and you see B&B Group. And over this side we have some more banks. You have the First Global Bank, then you have Pets and Garden Nest. Let me see if I can see a little bit closer. We have Product Solutions Business, Solutions, St. James Pharmacy, Barita, Cornerstone, The Promenade, and then Proactive Lifestyle. Yeah, and then VM Group over there. Alright, so this is behind the Texaco gas station. See V&B Group there. This is a new, I think the newest plaza on the Fairview Plaza complex. We have Maxi there, and this is a closer look at the Proactive Lifestyle. Don't know what to tell you, is over there. So we're gonna go over to this plaza. At Maxi we have a Singer Lifestyle, so Singer Furniture Store. I guess they changed it to Singer Lifestyle, or it has always been Singer Lifestyle, I don't know. And then you have Advantage General over the other side. You can kind of see a bit of NCB over there. That blue building, well, the blue glass, don't ask me what it is. I think I asked somebody recently and they say it's a call center. I'm not sure. Yeah, so this is the newest plaza that I told you about. I see Tropics Apparel, Tropics Apparel at the top, Sherwin-Williams below that. Then beside Sherwin-Williams they have Company's Office of Jamaica. Okay, when did they move over here? Protection, Freedom and Commerce. Above that I see City Center Wellness. Oh, my eyesight, good man. Some other places that I cannot see the name. Med City, Tip Friendly Society, Roly Poly, some kind of retail center. I know they have Mothers and Subway over here. They have a supermarket over the corner there. I know Passport and Immigration Office is also here. D and Taylor, there's a Cambio, there's an Italian restaurant, and of course the bank. And a closer look. Decided to come behind the plaza to have a closer look. So right here we have Home Solution Windows and Doors, Exotic Stone Creation beside it, where the smart people go, and see behind NCB up there. Then when we turn this side, we see is that Nyack's complex and Sinclair's Bargain Center. I see Pullman Beyond on the orange building, and Cambio as well. I'm pretty sure there are other stores on it. All right. Okay, so here's a wide shot. I see Makeup World at the far corner there. And Luca, I think that's the name of the Italian restaurant. I see Airdrop as well, that orange and blue sign below the Cambio sign. Best Choice. You can also see Jerky's and the Texaco sign up on the hill as well. We have MD Courier, Proside Optical, clothing store, Butty Treats Bakehouse Cafe, nice. Oh, 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 treats. A food place. Baked goods. Looking yummy. Seating area. Perfection. Okay. Section is empty. If anybody wants a store, a lot, a space. And then you see True Value over there. Yeah. And Hilo Supermarket, Agro Grace, Tutti Frutti, the Theater. Yeah. Pizza Hut, KFC, Ashley Store. Lucy Willows. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. All right, so right this side, the building that we're seeing here to the side is actually Fontana. Across it we have Courts and Lloyd's department store. Then over there we have Fontana. And inside Fontana Pharmacy, we have the Photodump and Cafe Blue. Over that section, we have Sakura Express and about 2 or so other food places. We're gonna go over to that side so we can get a closer shot. Mind you guys, I showed you most of these places before, and you can look at the complete walkthrough of Fairview in my Fairview playlist. Over there, we have Wendy's, Juicy Patties, Plum, Domino's, Payless, shoe store, a Chinese restaurant, Digicel, Brand's bookstore, Flow, and the iBoutique right there. That's Old Joe's. Okay, so Old Joe's and Sakura Express along with Fontana. It's High Floor and SSL. Yeah. Scotia. Nice shots. Then this commercial car. Walk behind me. You can't walk behind me, right?